Have you ever wanted to speak to someone in English but you didn't know how to start? You know English, you wanted to talk to them, but you don't know how to start first, how to say first. So you just stay quiet, right? If this happens to you, it doesn't mean you are shy. It just means you don't know how to begin. Hello everyone, I'm Abhay. In this video, I will show you how to start your first conversation in English in a simple and natural way. Why starting is so hard? Many people think like my English is not good, but this is not actual problem. Actual problem is they don't know how to start first, how to say first, what to say first. Once you try first sentence, then your second sentence automatically will come. But you need to try first sentence. In the beginning, for every beginners, this is the hardest part of learning. How to start first. But once you started your first sentence, then slowly your next sentence automatically will come, easier will come. Step by step you will go in flows, but you have to start your first sentence, then second, then third, just step by step. But you have to identify which sentence, which word is suitable for that situation, when you have to speak, when you have to try on that situation. You can start your conversation from greetings with a simple sentence just like hi, hello, hey, like that. So you after that you can add hey, what's going on, hi, how are you, like that. You can add next sentence, simple sentence. You can start your simple sentence first. When you meet someone, stranger or known, you can start your conversation with greetings, hi, hey, hello, with this greeting. And then you can add a simple sentence, hi, how are you, hello, how was your day, hey, what's going on, like that. You can start your next sentence. Use the situation, look around and you say something, it's hot today, it's crowded today, this place is super nice, beautiful, like that. You can try. If you are at a restaurant, then you can say the food here is good. If you are crowded place, then you can say this place is crowded, something like that. You can describe the situation. Try to ask easy questions like where are you from, what do you do, is this your first time here. So like that, try to make a simple sentence and make comfortable to that person. Don't go too personal and continue. When that person answers you, don't stop yourself. Say, keep continue. Oh, really? That's interesting. I really like that. Like that, you can keep continue. You can use some simple phrases, but don't stop yourself. And you can put a next question and respond continue. Practicing continue. You can keep practicing like that. Hi, how are you? What do you do? Where are you from? Oh, really? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Like that, you can keep continue. Don't stop yourself. You can keep continue. If you keep continue, this conversation will be bond. This kind of conversation will continue. And if once you ask question, that person will respond, and that person will ask, and you will respond. So like that, this conversation will continue. So make interest and ask. Keep questioning. I want to tell you here, you don't need perfect English grammar. You need just start. You start, just speak. Try to make a simple sentence with greetings, and then you can make a simple sentence and ask questioning like that. Just keep asking and make interest and situation ways. You can start conversation. You can continue your conversation like that. Hope this video is helpful for your English journey and how you start your first conversation with anyone, with stranger, with your friends. Comment below, and if you are new here, you can subscribe my channel for daily English updates like this. Thank you.